unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
To improve your PS4 graphics, focus on adjusting several settings. First, ensure your PS4 is connected to a quality HD or 4K TV using an HDMI cable. Next, navigate to the video output settings under Sound and Screen in the Settings menu. Here, you can adjust the resolution to match your TV's capabilities. Enabling HDR can significantly enhance colors if your TV supports it. Additionally, consider game-specific settings, like reducing motion blur or increasing detail, for a customized experience. Remember that graphical enhancements can vary depending on the game and your TV's features.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.